In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the vendor name in Shopify. If you're looking to personalize your Shopify store and want to eliminate the vendor name from product details, you're in the right place. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin. Begin by logging into your Shopify account and then navigating to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, your first stop will be the products section. This is where you manage all the products available in your store, and it's crucial to know your way around here, especially if you're managing an extensive catalog. So click on products. This action will take you to a page listing all your products. Now take a moment to browse through your products and select the one for which you want to remove or change the vendor's name. Click on the specific product and you'll be redirected to the product details page. This page contains all sorts of information, including pricing, inventory, and importantly, the vendor name. Now locate the vendor section within this page. It's typically positioned alongside details like product type and tags. Once you've found the vendor field, you might be tempted to just delete the name. However, it's important to note that Shopify requires this field not to be left completely empty. Therefore, if you try to save the changes with an empty vendor field, it won't work. Instead of removing it, consider replacing it with something generic or even your own store name if you're looking to have a more cohesive brand appearance. After updating the vendor name to your liking, let's move on to the final step. It's time to click the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. When you save your changes, Shopify will update the product details with the new vendor name, and there you have it, you've successfully updated the vendor name for your product without leaving any required fields empty. This method ensures that your products have a customized feel, aligning more with your brand's identity. If you have multiple products to update, repeat these steps for each one. It may seem repetitive, but it ensures consistency across your store. Thank you for tuning into the video. I hope you found this guide on removing or changing vendor names in Shopify helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for optimizing your Shopify store. Happy selling!